Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Facebook page category. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your Facebook normal ID. How you can check that? You have to click on top right corner this profile icon. Then you can see that your Facebook name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on the Facebook page name and it will automatically toggle to that Facebook page name. Okay, so after that you have to click on this Facebook page name again, which is bottom left corner, this one. Click on this and you have to go to about option. Click on about and then you'll find here categories. You have to click on this pencil icon and you can uh, cancel the category and you can add new categories from here. Okay, so this is how you can add or remove categories from a Facebook page. So guys, this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.